Others have tried to copy it, but in the end, there's only one Toyotathon. Save thousands with 0 APR for 60 months on a new 2011 Corolla. The biggest and best sales event of the year is going on now. Hurry to Toyotathon today.
Live from San Diego's news source, this is a 10 News Update.
Welcome back to 10 News. I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. We start today with breaking news from the East County, where firefighters are battling an out-of-control brush fire.
For the latest, let's go to our reporter live at the 10 News Experience.
As you can see, the fire is moving up the hillside. Helicopters are dropping water, trying to save homes. It is hot and dry out here, making it hard to fight the flames. This map gives you a good idea of how much the fire has spread. Back to you in the studio.
Great job. For the latest breaking news updates throughout the day, turn to 10 News.
And stay connected to major news anytime, anywhere on 10news.com. We'll be right back.